Soil erosion and conservation. Formation of soil. You will need 2 small rocks and a sheet of white paper. Place the sheet of white paper on a table. Rub the 2 rocks hard against each other over the paper. Do you get any kind of powdery substance on the paper? Can you call this substance soil? If the rocks are soft, they will crumble upon rubbing. Some rocks, however, are very hard and do not break easily. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It supports plants which provide food to all living things on this planet. Thus, soil is the foundation of all life on earth. Below the soil, there is solid rock. When the earth was formed, there were only water, air and hard rocks. The sun heated the rocks. The rain made them cold. And the wind blew over them. This continued for thousands of years. As a result, the rocks broke into small pieces. These small pieces broke into still smaller pieces. They were carried around by wind and water. They rubbed against each other till they became tiny particles. It took millions of years for these tiny particles to change into the loose material which we call soil. Soil erosion. Natural forces like wind, rain and running water help in soil formation. But they can. Natural vegetation maintains a balance between soil formation and loss. This balance is often disturbed by human or natural forces, leading to the removal of topsoil. Soil erosion is the wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind. Soil erosion causes land to lose fertility, making it unable to produce enough food and resulting in poor harvests. It is important to understand the agents responsible for soil erosion and work to control their actions. Rivers carry mud, slow down in plains, and deposit soil, leading to soil accumulation. Soil accumulation can cause rivers to change their course, as seen with the Yellow River, Huanghe, in China, known as the Sorrow of China, due to frequent course changes. Frequent river course changes, such as by the river Kosi in Bihar in 2008, can cause significant havoc, affecting many people and property. Running water causes soil erosion. Heavy rains lead to floods, and flooded rivers and running water wash away topsoil, especially from hill slopes. This erosion makes hill slopes unfit for cultivation. The Chambal Valley of Madhya Pradesh is an example of such erosion. A river coming down the hill carries soil. Wind causes soil erosion. In desert and semi-desert regions, strong winds blow away a significant portion of topsoil and manure, affecting farmers. Wind erosion often removes soil cover from plant roots, leading to plant death. Human beings also cause soil erosion. Roots of trees and plants naturally hold soil together. Deforestation or the felling of trees is a major cause of soil erosion. When trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away. Plowing of hill slopes is a human factor that leads to soil erosion. Overgrazing by cattle also causes soil erosion. Controlling the actions of erosive agents can be done in various ways. On flat, open grounds. After harvesting and before raising the next crop. Fields liye bare. allowing wind to blow off topsoil. Farmers grow cover crops like grass and creepers to hold soil particles and prevent wind erosion. Trees and bushes grown along the boundaries of fields act as a shield against strong winds. On hill slopes, cutting the slope into steps or terraces reduces soil erosion by slowing down water flow. Afforestation, growing trees, is another effective method of soil conservation on hill slopes. Soil conservation. Nature took millions of years to form soil, and it is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. Natural forces like wind and water cause soil erosion. Soil can be conserved through various methods. On fields near rivers. During the monsoon, many rivers overflow and flood the fields. To prevent floods, embankments along river banks are built. This holds the water between the banks and prevents soil erosion. Words to know. Soil erosion, the process of wearing off of soil over a period of time. Soil conservation, prevention of loss of soil. Afforestation, the process of growing more trees by planting saplings. Quick recap. Soil is the foundation of all life on Earth. The wearing off and carrying away of soil is called soil erosion. Erosion is caused by natural and human factors. The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. Soil is conserved by growing cover crops in plains, making terraces on hills, and building embankments along river banks.